Hello everyone and welcome to our page. Today we have lesson always we have lesson number 3, part number 3, words of animals and birds. The following okay. We have 6 words for today. Yes. The first word we have hyena. Hyena. In English, hyena. Pronunciation in Arabic, ضبع ضبع. In Arabic, ضبع ضبع. Yes. Second word we have fox. Fox. In English, fox. Phonetic in Arabic, ثعلب ثعلب. In Arabic, ثعلب ثعلب. Okay. The third word we have wolf. Wolf, yes. In English, wolf. Wolf. Pronunciation in Arabic, ذئب ذئب. In Arabic language, ذئب ذئب. Yes. Okay. The fourth word we have camel. Camel, yes. In English, camel. Camel. Pronunciation in Arabic, jamal jamal. In Arabic language, jamal jamal. Okay. And the fifth word we have cow. And finally, sixth word we have owl. Owl. Yes. In English, L, L. Pronunciation in Arabic, Buma, Buma. In Arabic language, Buma, Buma. Okay. Any question or information? For more information, thank you for visiting our page and asking me any question in comment, or you can write a comment on our page or our video in our channel YouTube Arabic Language Learning, or send a message, private message in our page, and we are answering, and it's our pleasure for that. Yes, okay. Have a great day and good luck. See you soon. Goodbye.